Good morning to all. This is Samba Shivareddy, IIT Chemistry faculty. In previous class, we discussed in the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations introduction part. In the introduction part, we discussed symbol, valency, variable valency, and next an important term is ions or radicals. Okay, ion is nothing but charged species which are formed by losing or gaining of electrons is ion. Okay, these ions are nothing but charged species which are formed by losing or gaining of electrons. Okay, this may be atom or group of atoms have charge. Okay, these are another name radicals. This may be one atom or group of atoms have charge is nothing but ion or radical. Here next types of ions. We have two types of ions. One is positive charge ion and another one negative charge ion. Positive charge ion or negative charge ion. This one we are calling cation. Another name cation. This is anion. Okay. See types of ions. Two types. One is positive charge ion and another one is negative charge ion. Positive charged ion is nothing but the positive charged ion which is formed by losing of electrons of an element. Okay, losing of atom of an element. Here negative charged ions generally negatively charged means they are gaining of electrons of an element. See, for example, here suppose we are taking sodium lose one electron to become sodium plus. Okay, this is atom, sodium atom. This is sodium ion. Okay, these positively charged ions are formed by losing of electrons. Here negative charged particles. That means negative charged ions are nothing but anions. Okay, for example, chlorine atom gain one electron to become Cl minus, chloride ion. This is chlorine atom. When it gains one electron to form Cl minus. Okay, this is chloride ion. Okay, one by one we are discussion here positive charge ions and negative charge ions. First one, positive charge ions or cation. Positive charge ion or cation. Positive charged ion or cation. Okay, these positive charged ions are formed by losing of electrons to form a positive charged species that we are calling cation or positive charged ion. Here we have different types of positive charged ions are there. In this one, first one monovalent monovalent positive ions. Positive ions. Here monovalent positive ion. Mono means one, single, one valent, valency positive ions. Monovalency positive ions. For example, when an atom of an element, it loses one electron to become a positive charge, charge plus. Okay, see here, already we discussed this example. Sodium is lost one electron to become Na plus. Here it loses only one electron to become positive, one positive charge. This type of ions are called monovalent positive ions. See examples here. Sodium ion Na plus, potassium ion K plus, cesium ion, hydrogen ion, rubidium ion. Okay, we discussed copper, cuprous ion, gold, Rm, Au plus ion, silver, Ag. Like this, these are having plus one charge ions. These are we are calling monovalent positive ions. Next, second one, divalent positive ions. Okay, see, divalent, di means two valency positive ions. See here, two means this divalent positive ions are, okay, these elements are losing two electrons to form plus two charge ions. Okay, for example, magnesium lost their outermost electrons, two electrons to become magnesium plus 2. Okay, like this ion magnesium loses two electrons to become Mg plus 2. This Mg plus 2 ion is a divalent positive ion. Okay, see here some other examples. See, Mg plus 2 magnesium ion, Ca plus 2 calcium ion, Ba plus 2 barium ion, zinc plus 2 zinc ion, and copper exhibit plus 2 also. This is cupric ion. Okay, and silver also exhibit plus 2. This silver symbol is Ag. Okay, Latin name is argentum. Silver exhibit plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, argentus, argentic. Already we discussed variable valency. Okay, next one is trivalent positive ions. Trivalent positive ion. Tri means 3 electrons are lost. Okay, 3 electrons lost by a metal atom of an element. Okay, see, suppose for example aluminum we are taking. Aluminum loses their 3 electrons, okay, to form Al plus 3. Here aluminum atom, okay, it loses 3 electrons to form plus 3 charge. Okay, this 3 is here charge and its valency also. See, trivalent positive ions. Okay, one example is like this, and many examples we have to write here. Al plus 3 aluminum ion Fe plus 3. Okay, here already we discussed previous class. Fe ion exhibit plus 2 and plus 3, plus 2 and plus 3. Here this is ferrous, this is ferric, and gold also exhibit plus 3. Here gold exhibit plus 1 and plus 3. This gold Latin name is aurum, Aurus Auric. Okay, these are the positive charged cations, positive charged ions, or we are calling cation. Okay, here monovalent positive ions. Examples: sodium, potassium, cesium, hydrogen, rubidium, copper, gold, silver. Okay, divalent, these are the examples of divalent positive ions: magnesium, calcium, barium. Okay, trivalent positive ions: aluminum, iron plus 3 and gold plus 3. These are positive ions. Next, negative charged ions are anions. Okay, ions are charged species which are formed by losing or gaining of electrons. Here, what is negative charged ion or anion? The atom of an elements which are gained electrons to form negative charged species, that we are calling anion. That we are calling anion. For example, chlorine gains one electron to form Cl minus. To form Cl minus. Okay, this is chlorine atom, gain one electron to form a Cl minus. This is negatively charged ion. Okay, like this we have here different examples and different types. Monovalent negatively charged ions. Negative ions. Monovalent negative ions. Already we discussed previously. Ion is nothing but atom or group of atom having charge. Okay, see here H minus hydrogen ion, already we discussed, that is H plus, this is H minus. Okay, this we are calling hydride ion. And next F minus, this we are calling fluoride. Okay, Cl minus chloride ion, Br minus bromide, I minus iodide. Similarly, these are single atoms. Okay, next group of atoms also having charges. OH minus hydroxide ion. Next NO3 minus nitrate ion. Okay, next NO2 minus, this is a nitrite ion. Okay, see here 3 oxygen atoms are there, that is suffix 8. Here one oxygen is lesser than this 8, suffix 8, that we are writing suffix 8. Okay, next it will come. Next further classes we will discuss clearly. Okay, see next acetate, CH3COO minus, that is acetate ion. Okay, these are some examples of monovalent negative ions. Okay, next divalent negative ions. Okay, divalent negative ions. Okay, already we discussed divalent positive ions, like that divalent negative ions. Okay, for example when two electrons are gained by an element to form a -2 charge. Okay, for example, we are taking oxygen, okay, plus it gains two electrons to form O minus 2. To form O minus 2. Oxygen gains two electrons to form O minus 2. Its charge is -2. 2 is nothing but here valency and its charge. Here divalent. Di means 2. 2 valency. Okay. Examples for this. O minus 2. This is oxide ion. Oxide ion. Next S minus 2. Sulfide ion. Sulfide ion. Okay. Next similarly, group of atoms also having charge. SO4 minus 2. This is sulfate ion. Okay. Next SO3 minus 2. This is sulfite ion. Sulfite ion. Okay. See here. This is a single sulfur. Okay. S minus 2, that is sulfix IDE. Okay, SO4 minus 2, a group of atoms having charge, that is -2. This is sulfate, suffix 8. This is maximum number of oxygen atoms. Next SO3, here which is having 8, that is lesser than this one oxygen atom, that is suffix 8. Okay, suffix 8, sulfite. Okay, next carbonate. Carbonate is nothing but CO3 minus 2. Okay, these are the some examples of divalent negative charged ions. Okay, next trivalent negative charged ion. Trivalent negative charged ion. Next trivalent negative charge ions. Okay, already we discussed now positive ions, like that only here 3 electrons are gained. 3 electrons are gained by an atom of an element. Okay, suppose for example 3 electrons phosphorus gain 3 electrons to form P minus 3. To form P minus 3. Here examples of trivalent negative ions. First N minus 3. This is nitride ion. Nitride ion. Okay. Next phosphide PO. See here P minus 3. This is phosphide ion. And a group of atoms, so phosphate is there, PO4 minus 3. PO4 is a group of atoms. This total charge of this group atoms is -3. This is phosphate. What is phosphate ion? And next PO3 minus 3. PO3 minus 3. This is phosphite ion. Phosphite ion. Okay, PO4, here 4, maximum number of oxygens 4, which is having suffix 8, phosphate, and here one oxygen is lesser than this phosphate, that is suffix 8, phosphite. Okay, these are trivalent negative ions. Okay, in this class we discussed ions or radicals. Okay, these are two types: positive charged ions, negative charged ions. Okay, positive charged different types we discussed: monovalent positive charged ions, divalent positive charged ions, and trivalent positive charged ions. And next negative charged ions also we discussed. These are called anions. Okay, these are monovalent negative ions, divalent negative ions, trivalent negative ions also we discussed. And one more important group of atoms having a positive charge. Okay, this group of atoms having positive charge, NH4 plus charge is there. This is ammonium ion. Ammonium ion. This is monovalent positive charge ion. Okay. Here, this is a group of atoms. There is no metal atom. These are non-metallic positive charge ion. This is exception. It is getting positive charge. Okay, this group of atoms having positive charge. This is ammonium ion we are calling. Okay.